clear video. Is that good? Short train.
Yep.
Now let's watch the gates go up.
Where are we on the way to, TJ?
We're on our way to check out another car wash. This is for the elevator channel.
Yeah, and we need our car wash because we had some turtle doves bomb the car, didn't we?
Should I check that Exxon over there?
You can.
Do you think that's one?
That might be it. You can go check that one out. I don't know if it's got the brushes or not.
Did he say Exxon?
There was nets on. I just don't know where it was.
Oh, okay. Well, let's go to check this one since we're just passing by it. We might as well. I'll ride over to it and see if we can tell.
There's the actual mart, and there's the gas station, and here they have
you're going in the exit, Jeff.
No, this is, well, yeah, I am, but I'm just not going through it. I'm just seeing if it has brushes. No, it doesn't have brushes.
Okay.
So this is the brushless one still.
Alrighty.
Alright, so this is not the one we want.
You're right there. This is the exit, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what it said. It said exit.
Oh, yeah, okay. Well.
Yeah, so they do have a car wash here, but it's not the one that we want.
No,
we want to find the one with the brushes because we had a request for a car wash with brushes.
Yeah. This one looks pretty much like the touchless like we usually do at the Hess station.
Yeah.
Alright, now off to check out a different car wash.
Yep.
Let's check out a different one.
So I'll check in with you later. That's all
We'll go up to the
Alright, we're
station
arriving
here
at another Exxon station here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Yeah, you're recording. We're arriving at another Exxon station in Charlotte, North Carolina, the Mallard Creek location.
This is the Mallard Creek, so let's see if this one has the
other
we'll
one
go
we
right
were
past this one, so let's see if it has.
The other Exxon we were at was the Pavilion Boulevard and University City Station.
No, that one's a touchless as well. I don't know where the...
Yeah, I don't know. Well, we'll go to Concord. They may have one in Concord.
Now we're headed that direction.
Alright, ready? Alright, we finally found a car wash with brushes. This one is in Concord, North Carolina. I-85, mile 49.
So we're going to go to it, aren't we? And get
Yep, and this one actually has brushes.
So,
and it's in this gas station here. This one?
it's this one right here. First I'm going to pull up to the to one of the pumps.
We found a car wash with brushes. Pulling right here where it says car wash entrance. This is the Shell station at exit 49.
Okay. Let's do the code here.
And here's our options too. We got the Works for $9.50, the Deluxe for $8.50, or the Express for $6.50.
Roll down your window, TJ.
Do you want to record that?
Yeah, it's a Ryko. Looks like we have a Ryko wash system.
Alright, let's enter the code.
When you purchased your car wash, you received a receipt with a code printed at the bottom. Please enter that code on the keypad shown on the display. wash. To ensure a safe car wash, please follow all posted instructions. The car wash will signal you when you pull forward. And don't forget to roll up your windows and lower your antenna.
Okay.
Okay, so we roll up our windows.
This looks like kind of the same system that the elevator channel's car wash in Jefferson City near Walmart has.
It does look similar, doesn't it?
This is a Ryko N-Bay soft touch system. It's a Ryko at least.
Is it a Ryko?
Yeah.
That's what it said.
Should be fun, TJ.
I don't know when's the last time I've been in a brush wash. So most of the ones in Charlotte are brushless. There's the little,
Right.
yep, tells you to stop.
Okay, and all of our windows are up.
There's the brush right there. Yeah, turn that air off because it's just blowing hot air right now.
Okay.
Oh look, that's got a,
These are like red and green Christmas brushes.
yep. It's getting no water right now.
Yep.
It's blowing really hot air. Yeah.
I'm hot too.
Oh yeah, the engine was still on. I should have turned it off, shouldn't I?
Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
Okay.
There we go.
Which one did you get?
The works.
You got the works.
Yep.
I think I'm gonna move the camera back this way so we
Yep,
can
so
see
this is
what's
the
going on.
951, I think.
Yep.
Did the one that elevator channel do just keep going back and forth like this without doing anything?
Look, the lights are blinking. Maybe he didn't get the works.
No, I'm asking why is this not doing anything? Okay, there we go. There's
Oh look,
the color.
TJ colors.
Yep.
Because I got the works, we get colors.
If this one has colors too.
There we go.
Yeah, normally we go to that gas station in Charlotte, the Mallow Creek location. I like to try different car washes every now and then.
Yeah.
That looks like rain. Oh, here comes the big one.
Yep.
Alright, get ready. Yeah, I actually remember that. That's the exact same cash. Yeah, that cash machine is the exact same cash machine. for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
I've been in the house one several times, and we filmed it several times. This is a new one for me.
Here comes the big one back again.
It's so foggy and so humid in here. It's
I know
fogging
it.
up the windows.
Yep.
Summertime is definitely not the best time to do car washes like this because you have to sit in a hot car.
Yeah, I know it. You don't realize how hot it is till you're sitting in a car that you can't roll the windows down.
Yeah. Looks like it got the turtle dove's signature.
It did. That's the rinse. Maybe I shouldn't have got the works.
No, it's okay. We'll make a good video. We haven't done this in a while. It's doing the dryer and rinsing at the same time.
That's odd.
It's weird.
It's getting the, yeah, it's rinsing and it's getting the lights so I can see when it turns green.
Yeah.
Right up in there, so it's green.
Yeah, go ahead and turn on the, what's that coming? Is that the
I don't know,
dryer?
but it's telling me to go. I think that's like a squeegee.
I don't, is it telling you to go?
It says green
Okay.
lights.
Okay, yeah, it does. Okay.
I think that's like a squeegee or something. Let's,
Okay, let's look.
Bumpy.
Oh, that's the dryer. It's weird.
Now, am I hitting anything?
I don't know, I can't tell.
Huh.
Cars in front of me.
Well, that actually, he was not bad. I like the colors. Just
Yeah.
seemed to fog up the windows though because it was so hot and humid in there.
Yeah.
But
No, air conditioning, full blast, please.
Okay.
yeah,
Woo.
because it was
Air
so
conditioning,
hot
full
and humid
blast,
in there.
please.
Even I was getting hot.
Wait till you can see before you start driving.
Yeah, because even I was
I
getting
need
hot.
to,
I don't mean to be a backseat
I know,
driver,
but I
but
need to get out and adjust the windows. It's moved the mirrors both back
Yeah,
here.
I mean,
oh yeah, it did, didn't
oh
it?
yeah, that feels good. Even I was getting hot in that wash.
You and me both, sweetie. See how the windows are still foggy?
Yeah.
Yeah. All
Well,
right.
we're gonna drive a little bit now, and we'll have the air conditioner on now that we're out of the car wash.
Yeah.
It seemed to have done a pretty good job.
Did it?
Seemed to.
Oh, good.
Sometimes I think you need to.
Yeah.
Sometimes I think you need some of that does the. I'm going
Actual
to
brushes.
for the brushes, yeah.